Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss the topic of AC circuit, that is the electromagnetic wave. What is electromagnetic wave? Electromagnetic wave form a continuous series in order of changing wavelength, frequency, and energy. This series is called electromagnetic series. This series is called the electromagnetic series. First electromagnetic series that we discussed, that is the visible light. We discuss what is the visible light. Visible light wave or only electromagnetic wave we can see. Visible light are the only electromagnetic wave we can see. If we discuss it, example. In the example, we see this wave has the color of rainbow. Each color has a different wavelength. So here we write that we see these waves as the colors of rainbow. Red has the longest wavelength and violet has the shortest wavelength. These are the electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave form a continuous series in order of changing wavelength, frequency, and energy. This series is called the electromagnetic series. Next, we discuss the infrared waves. Infrared wave, we discussed that the wavelength of the infrared waves ranges from 700 nanometer to 1 millimeter. So here we write that the wavelength of the infrared waves ranges from 700 nanometer to 1 millimeter. If we discuss an example of the infrared waves, example of the infrared waves has the warm objects such as the human body produce large amount of infrared and heat sensitive. So here we write that the warm object such as the human body produce large amount of infrared rays. Or here we write also about the CCTV cameras work. Detecting these infrared rays can be used for remote control and communication system. Infrared waves can be used for remote control and communication system. These are the infrared waves. Next, we discuss about the microwaves. Microwave that has the wavelength is ranges from 1 millimeter to 1 meter. Micro waves wavelength range from 1 millimeter to 1 meter. If we discuss about it example, in the example, microwave oven use microwave to generate heat and warm food. Microwave oven use microwaves to generate heat and warm food. Microwaves used to send signal to and from satellite. Microwaves used to send signals to and from satellites. They also carry signal. They also carry signals for mobile phones. These are the uses of the microwave and the wavelength range of the microwave we discuss. Next, we discuss about the radio waves. Radio waves have the longest wavelength in the electromagnetic spectrum. Radio waves have the longest wavelength in the electromagnetic spectrum. Radio waves have wavelength longer than 1 meter. They are used to transport information through atmosphere without wires. They are used to transport information through the atmosphere without wires. They carry signal to your radio, television, and mobile phone. They carry signal to your radio, television, and mobile phones. These are the properties of the radio waves and examples where we can use the radio waves. Next, we discuss about the ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet wave is a form of electromagnetic wave with the wavelength range from 10 nanometer to 400 nanometer. Ultraviolet is a form of electromagnetic wave with wavelength from 10 nanometer to 400 nanometer. Ultraviolet radiation is high energy electromagnetic wave that is found between visible light and X-rays, that is found between visible light and X-rays. Natural source of ultraviolet radiation is sun. Natural source of ultraviolet radiation is sun. Sunlight in space at the top of the Earth's atmosphere is composed of 50% infrared light rays, 40% visible, and 10% ultraviolet light. Sunlight is space at the top of the Earth's atmosphere is composed of 50% infrared light, 40% visible light, and 10% ultraviolet light. That is about the ultraviolet radiation. Next, we discuss about the X-rays. X-rays are type of electromagnetic radiation. Their wavelength is between 0.01 nanometer to 10 nanometer. So here we write that X-rays are type of electromagnetic radiation. Their wavelength is between 0.01 nanometer to 10 nanometer. X-rays are produced when fast-moving electron hit a metal target and inner electron change their energy level. X-rays are produced when fast-moving electrons hit a metal target and inner electron change their energy level. X-rays are used in hospitals to take pictures of bones. This is called X-ray imaging or radiography. These are all about the X-rays. So we will discuss about radio waves, ultraviolet rays, and X-rays. Now we discuss the last rays, that is the gamma rays. We will discuss about the gamma rays. Gamma rays are also electromagnetic wave but have the shortest wavelength, less than 10 picometer, and highest energy. So here we write about the gamma rays. Gamma rays are also electromagnetic waves but have the shortest wavelength, less than 10 picometer, and highest energy. They are produced during nuclear reaction or radioactive decay inside an atom, atomic nucleus. They are produced during nuclear reactions or radioactive decay inside an atomic nucleus. They are very powerful and used in cancer treatment and to kill harmful bacteria in food and medical equipment. They are about the gamma rays, where we can use the gamma rays. Next our topic is about the ECG. That is the last topic of the AC circuit, that is the electrocardiogram. That in short form we call the ECG. Electrocardiogram and electrocardiogram, that is short form is ECG, is a test used to study the electrical activity of the heart. It helps to diagnose heart disease. It helps to diagnose heart disease. Doctors can detect irregular heart beat, heart attack, or poor blood flow. It is quick, simple, and painless test. That is the electrocardiogram. It's about the E. In short form, that is called the ECG. Next, we discuss about electrocardiogram, how it works. Electrocardiogram, how it works. Our heart produce our heart produce small electric signal when it beats. These signal make the heart muscle contract and pump blood. The electrical activity start at the top of the heart and move downward. Electrodes produce Electrodes are placed in different parts of the chest to detect these signals. What is this? Electrodes, small sensor, are placed on different parts of the chest to detect these signals. The ECG machine records the signal as a waveform on a paper or screen. The ECG machine records records these signals as a waveform curve on a paper or screen. That is about the ECG, how it works. That is, we discuss about the last topic of the AC circuit, that is electromagnetic wave and electrocardiogram, that is short form we call the ECG.